guys, today I'm going to be detailing my boss's 2004 Bentley Arnage. The inside's not too bad. I mean, it's not the greatest, but it's not terrible. It's only 32 something thousand miles on the car, which isn't too bad. The outside's pretty dirty, so I think that's where we're going to start. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
I wanna see the light.
Rinse, I like to use a brand new microfiber on the paint. These luxury cars usually have softer paint, and the brushes and stuff hurt it. So. I wanna see the light. Like I said, it's a 2004 Bentley Arnage. There's a couple things with the car that I've noticed, and one of them is that if you look closely right here, if you guys notice right here, it's got the black housing around the headlights, and on this side, it's got the chrome. So this one has been replaced before. The car it's been in a little bit of a ding show. There's a couple things that I've noticed. One of them being the rear Bentley emblem is crooked. It's twisted like this. It's not sitting flush. There's a few ripples in the roof. There's a couple orange peel marks and sand marks, but other than that, I mean, it's pretty clean. So we're going to work on getting the rest of this outside done. I'm going to dry it off with some microfibers, clean it up, clean up the chrome, and we'll get to it. All right, as you can see, most of it is dry. There's a couple spots that still have a water streaks, which we'll take care of. The wheels are still wet, which they're going to be one of the last things I do, but they'll come out looking great too. So let's get on to how I do my windows. All right, the way I do my windows, normally if it's got heavy oxidation, like water spots, crap like that, I'll normally use some double aught steel wool, kind of clean it up. But I don't have to, since these windows just got tinted. They've already been cleaned once, so all I gotta do is just refresh them and touch them up, and they'll be good to go. We're gonna get this onto those and clean them up all nice and sparkly, and we're also gonna be using this on the chrome bits before we put our spray-on wax all over the car. I also forgot to mention, normally after I do my double aught on the windshield or on whatever windows on the steel wool, I'll normally take a terry cloth and use that to get all the crap off there. But like I said, this has already been tinted last week. So the windows have already been cleaned, so this we don't need to. Go away. We just need a clean microfiber and our glass cleaner on the windows. So doing the chrome is very straightforward. There's no special technique or anything like that. It's not hard by any means. All you have to do is just barely any glass cleaner. and just polish it. Now they do have actual chrome polish that you can buy. Pretty much any auto parts store will have them. I think Mother's has a kit that's really, really good for like full-on chrome and not just chrome like plated stuff. But there you go. See how shiny and nice and pretty. Hi, Mom. Yeah, so we're going to repeat that all over the car. Do all this chrome and make this thing bright and shiny. All right, now that we got the chrome sorted, which I mean it is extremely shiny. We are going to get started on the wheels. Alright, while I'm waiting for the wax to show up for the Bentley, I figured I would give you guys a sneak peek of something that'll be coming up in I don't know, about a week or so. It's one of the videos I've really been wanting to do, and I'm excited. I can't wait for you guys to see it too, but a little bit of a sneak peek. It's something I've been hunting down for about 2 years, and I finally found one, and it's going to look great, and I hope you guys like it. So hit that subscribe button, and you'll be able to see all the stuff that I am going to do. And it's got a little bit more body work I need to do, and it needs to be painted as well, but it'll look good, so I hope you guys like it.